Welcome to our beginner's guide, Investing in Cryptocurrency 101. In this video, we will cover the basics of how to invest in cryptocurrency. So, let's get started. First, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple are some popular cryptocurrencies. To begin investing in cryptocurrency, you will need a digital wallet. Wallets can be stored offline or online. Online wallets provide convenience, but offline wallets offer better security. Next, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken are reputable exchanges. They allow you to buy, sell, and store different cryptocurrencies. Before investing, do your research. Cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile, so it's crucial to understand the basics. Learn about market trends, study the project behind the cryptocurrency, and stay informed about news and regulations. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. Instead of putting all your money into one cryptocurrency, spread your investments across different coins to minimize risk. Once you've chosen your preferred cryptocurrency and exchange, it's time to make your first investment. You can start with as little as $10, but remember to only invest what you can afford to lose. Keep track of your investments by setting up alerts and monitoring price movements. This will help you make informed decisions about buying or selling. Lastly, be patient and have a long-term perspective. Cryptocurrency markets can be unpredictable, so it's essential to stay calm and not panic sell